Hey guys, what's up? So today we're top best share sheets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first sheet is called Lumi, and basically it's a computational photography tweak designed to take better, brighter photos and low light. So pretty cool. Supports all these devices, guys, and supports from iOS 13. iOS 12 not and will not be supported. So from I guess 13 and above. So it tells you all about what supports, doesn't support, exactly what it does. I'm just going to show you guys the screenshots. It's a really amazing tweak. So if you take a lot of like photography, and especially like at night, this would definitely be worth it. Like this is better than the camera too, but I don't think I have any screenshots. Nah, there's like let me see. Yeah, okay. Comparison. So yeah, but you could. It's basically a huge difference between this tweak and there you go. You see right there. So you see the difference. Like this is on the right is with it, and on the left without. And this tweak is called Watermelon. And basically, with this tweak, watchOS inspired lock screen widgets for iOS 13. So places round widgets below the clock on the lock screen. This is called Jellyfish. It's modernized your lock screen. Inspired by the watchOS motion face, Jellyfish aims to make your lock screen more modern, more beautiful, and more useful. This is called Social Composer, and quick and efficient way to use your social skills. So you can easily just tweet somebody, share something on Instagram, etc. So supports these apps right here. This tweak is called Near-Red Reborn, and what Near-Red Reborn does, lock screen music player redesign. This is called Jailbreak. Spotify inspired lock screen player, so it's a lock screen player replacement inspired by the old Spotify Canvas view. This is called OWO. What's this? This is called LS Clarifier, remove background blocks for lock screen stuff. This is called Album Hider, hide albums on photo apps, supports iOS 11, 12, and 13. This is called Among OS, and 125 plus new icons, so it's basically an Among Us theme for your device. This is called Apaze 2, and customize up to 30 settings. This trick allows you to customize volume, brightness, toggles, Wi-Fi cellular rotation lock, VPN, custom behaviors. So you can also disable your notification center, control center, disable home gestures, hide stock alert, notification banners. So every time the customized apps are foreground, set the chosen values, and there is an option to restore previous values every time you exit the app. So this is a list of the available settings. Some videos on it and screenshots. This is called YouTube Reborn. It's a YouTube customizer, so it's basically YouTube plus alternative. This is called Status Speak or Status Speak 2, and compared with all devices iOS 10, it basically making its comeback to once again bring convenience to your device. So they're designed to mimic Android functionality and allows you to easily take a peek at your status bar in full screen apps by simply pulling down the top of your screen. Places the born and useless notification center grabber that usually greets you when performing the aforementioned action. So pretty cool. Next is called Futuristic Cam, and basically you need to eliminate boredom. This is an interactive animated sci-fi theme for Apple Camera app without installing any additional plugins. This is called Autoplay or Autoplay X, and come and call live photo settings and play. So play live photo with your native system, very power efficient. And this is called Autoplay, and basically it's play without long press of your finger. All modifications are based on system code, no extra player, so it's very power efficient and secure. This is called Delay Read Receipts, iOS 10. It does work on iOS 12, and I'm not sure about iOS 13 and 14. Do not send a read receipt and iMessage until starting typing a reply or send the message. If you choose to send a message, the recipient will not see typing until you actually send the message. This is called Flex Decrypt, command line tool for decrypting. This is called Friday for pre-812 devices, Friday 32-bit devices, and Friday for 812 plus devices, depending on what iOS version, what device you have as well. You install whatever one. It adjusts JavaScript to install iOS apps over USB. This is called Translo. It's a translation tweak. It allows you to easily translate. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14 free. Supports the applications right here. So yep, pretty cool. This is called Keyboard ACO or SEO. Tweak makes the global key always switch between the first and second input modes of your keyboard settings. This is called Color Me Notives. Bring colors to your notifications. This is called Coloration. Supporting both iOS 13 and 14, lets you color all the elements of your device, including the ones that Apple does not let you allow. Status bar, system wide, home screen, lock screen, apps, system colors, sliders, presence, or presets, tweak settings, extra information. That's how it looks. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.